Alright, so welcome back sa panibagong yugto ng ating PHP tutorials. Okay, so sa previous ating tutorial, tinuro ko sa inyo kung paano mag-insert using PDO and PHP and MySQL. This time, turo ko naman sa inyo kung paano tayo magsaselect. Okay, we're going to select multiple rows at saka single rows. Okay, so first step, open natin yung SAMP. Of course, this time using PDO pa rin. Alright, so yan, bukas siya. Next is, open natin yung ating Sublime, yung text editors. Okay, previously, ito yung ginawa natin, di ba? Sa index, gumawa tayo insert, transact, andito siya, connection. Okay, this time, meron tayong gagalawin kung DC, transact lang sa kasi index.php. First of all, punta tayo sa transact, copy natin si insert, then rename it as select, since mag-select tayo ngayon. Yes, the whole time gagawa lang tayo ng isang file for CRUD. CRUD stands for create, update, delete. Okay. So this time, let's just delete it and con. Okay. This time, yan. Then query. Then return stmt stands for statement fetch all. So that's it. Ganun lang kabilis para sa ating select query. Then kay index, let's do for dump stands for lahat ng laman ng array. So, transact, select. Yung loob sa select is select all from anong table? Sample table. Ayan. Punta tayo sa ating browser. Localhost, sample, kay index. Alright, so yan. Nabard up natin siya. So, nag-select tayo. Ayan. So, ngayon, we're going to put it inside a table. Okay, parating lang sa table yan. First time, get nito sa loob ng isang variable. Selected. Then, sa labas, kuha tayong table. Thead, th. Okay, so user ID. First name. Middle name. Then, last name. Then, we are going to do body. Dito, gagawa tayo ng ating PHP na for each para i-iterate natin yung laman nung selected. As $select. Ayan, so gagawa tayo ito ng close. Then, tr for each row. td for each column. Then, gagawa tayo ng PHP. Echo $user ID, yung A yung column. And the rest, which is yung, okay, sa Sublime, Control-Shift-D para mag-duplicate yung row. Okay, first name, middle name, last name. So, yan. Let's just refresh it. Congrats. Yan. So, wala. Okay. Dahil, dapat ito ay select. At ito ay sa loob ng select. O, diba? Pamali-mali si Bonjon. Ayan. So, ma-generate ako dun. Ayan. So, let's refresh it. Ayan. So, tama na tayo. Okay. So, kada insert natin, sinaselect natin siya. So, as you can see, apat siya ngayon. Refresh natin, naging 5 siya. Alright? So, this time, we're going to select a single row. Paano tayo gagawin yung single row? $select single. Oh, single. Sad. Okay. $transact. Select. Okay. Select all from sample table where user ID equals to 2. Alright. Then, echo $select single 0. Then, yung pangalan nung inyong column, user ID. Okay? Refresh. That's it. Number 2, right? So, first name, middle name, last name. Refresh. So, yan. Juan Del Cruz, number 2. Ngayon, kayo nang bahala kung saan nyo lalagay yung mga ganyan. Pero, in yung way of selecting in multiple rows saka in single rows. So, that's it. So, if you have any question or comment, just comment down below. If you have any suggestions and violent reactions, so corrections, and anything na gusto nyo sabihin, just comment down below. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye!